the dare I spent it in good company.
Good morning. It's Saturday, March 28th, I think. Anyways, it's not really going to be a totally fun-filled weekend. I'm just trying to catch up on homework. This morning, I have to do my photography homework. So Heather said she would help me with that, but I haven't heard from her yet today, so I don't know. If she does help me, I'll see if she can vlog while I'm taking pictures. Taking photographs, because there's a distinction between pictures and photographs. Yeah. Corinne.
Tell me about it. Look at this.
You say hi to people, like those people that you...
I know they say hi to you like, fucking dead.
No. The people say hi back to you like, kiss me.
No.
You've never...
I've never heard
They
that.
don't... I've had really weird neighbors.
That's a really fucking
Yeah,
weird neighbor.
they don't say hi. They just like...
The one with when you had the onesie
Oh,
on.
Are you
I had
making
this...
fun of, like, foreign people, or...?
No, they all speak English. And they're all completely confident human beings. They just don't say hi.
Talk about your onesie.
So, like, I have this, like, onesie, like, skeleton pajama, like, set. And I went outside. My neighbor Steve is a total pothead. Like, he just smokes pot all the time.
you were on drugs.
And I went outside and I was just like,
You, like, start...
I looked at him out and I started to, like...
Well, you say hi,
I
you
can't
say
even-
hi and you hear someone else
He's like,
say hi. They say hi, but, like, that's what you hear.
like, holding up my pajamas. I was like,
What was that?
like the pajamas. And then he walked back
Freaking me
inside.
out,
And I was like,
Stop talking like that.
So that's specific to your region.
Am extremely partial to clay loam. Here's the reason why. Loam, that's a nice mix of sand, silt, and clay.
Yes, his soil mellow and loose when moist colors yellowish brownish to reddish brown.
Taking soil science right now?
Nah, this is from forestry last year.
Oh, good. I'm glad you guys are getting into soil. So, clay loam, I think, is a wonderful soil, assuming it's not too clay rich, because then it can get really compacted. Clays are often very sticky. There are different types of clays, but generally they're all pretty sticky. But what's nice about clay is it retains nutrient, and also works well to buffer the pH of the soil. My master's research is a great way to approach any work. So keep in mind the various scales here in our microscopy lab last week. We were dealing with the light microscope, this kind of range. And remember, like, the most you guys saw there was pretty much this, at best. At best, you were seeing the nuclei in animal cells. With our plant or animal, more of an animal cell in the way it's shown here. And remember, it's dynamic, stuff is moving around. This is what this diagram is trying to indicate to you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to step through a series of slides and see if I can get you guys to name for me the organelles that are depicted on those slides. What do we think we see here?
Chromosomes.
Alright, so chromosomes, we're inside of what?
Nucleus.
Nucleus, right? Yeah, that's a good one. Everyone knows a little bit of chromosome inside the nucleus. What do you think this is in here? Yep, very well could be ribosome. Absolutely. That'd be my best guess.
Nucleoplasm.
Yeah, sure. Sure, nucleoplasm, right? Yeah. Yep.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
What is this? Does anyone remember this image from class? I mean, the odds of you just knowing what this is slim. It's a stumper.
Well, it says the ribosome at the bottom.
Oh, didn't notice that. Good eye. Good eye, Kelly.
Yeah.
All right. So that's an electron microscopy image of a ribosome.
Wow.
Yeah, it doesn't.
The reticulum.
Yeah.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And rough.
Smooth and
Both.
Smooth and rough endoplasmic
All of it.
reticulum.
All the things.
All right. So yeah, this is just a representation, a cartoony form of what we find in the cell.
Oh, yes.
So smooth, rough. Why rough? What's this stuff?
So it latches on
Ribosomes.
Yeah, it's a ribosome, right? How about that?
Oh, that's Golgi. Is it the Golgi?
Yeah, you got got it, Scott. That's the Golgi, right? So just like the plasma reticulum, flattened sacs, you know? All that membrane space allows for lots of reactivity, all that surface area of the membrane. Any ideas on this?
Mitochondria.
Nice, nice. What tells you it's mitochondria?
It kind of looks like a bean.
It's like a bean, okay. So here's again just sort of looking at the cell, another representation. There's so many ways of thinking about it. We were just looking at mitochondria with the cristae inner membrane where you get charge differential and drive a proton pump to phosphorylate the ADP to create ATP. You'll begin to discover more about that. Cytoskeleton, so cool. It's kind of my favorite, being an amateur designer, architect / carpenter, because this is like just beautiful, efficient structure. Actually, architects are doing work these days with biologists and microbiologists to grow structure.
So cool.
Yeah, I remember going to a lecture at UO. This one architect was working on a project to do a little refresher on the cellular world. And the organelles there within, the structures that confer a given function to the cell. Now we're going to get deep into the membrane.
Nowhere.
So here is just a bunch of membranes, right? You're looking at a cell in the endomembrane system. So you have, remember what this is? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi body, also called the Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Structure that has a membrane inside the cell is the vacuole. The vacuole. And this is refreshing one's memory with regard to last week's lecture.
I think your arms are a lot stronger than mine are.
So is that like stretching abdomen to some extent? Maybe into the back as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's
Heather.
really important.
Yeah. Sure.
Are you filming?
Membrane fluidity.
Hey guys, so that was a quick peek into my biology class. I'm gonna get ready to do a little studying before my photography exam, and then I have photography class, and then I will try to give you guys an update after that. So. It's actually kind of pretty despite the fact that it's snowing. Again. Hey guys, sorry I haven't been filming too much. It's just, there was an incident on Saturday, and I don't want to talk about what it was, but it wasn't in any of my classes or anything, but I'm having a hard time dealing with that on top of worrying about everything that's going on with my dad and some other things, so, and stressing out over trying to catch up on homework and stuff like that. So, although I'm seeing a counselor today to try to at least get into a mindset where I can emotionally function enough to go to class and things like that, because on Sunday it was literally all I could do to just go to dinner that night, and other than that I just laid in bed all day because it was all I could do, and I know that's not healthy and I know that's not okay, so hopefully talking to a counselor today will help, and we'll get back into the swing of things tomorrow. So I don't think I'm going to vlog for the rest of the day though. I think I'll just edit what I have and throw it all into one video and send it out, and then just take the rest of the day as like a mental health day. Yeah. So I know this might kind of seem worrisome, but you know, don't worry, I'm dealing with it. I'm not gonna let it keep controlling how I feel and what I do. So I'm gonna stay positive, so everybody else should stay positive and try not to worry, because I know a lot of people at school have been really worried, and I don't want them to be. So.
Oh, all the money that I spent. spent it in good company.